As seen in this study, contextual interference through a random practice schedule leads to enhanced retention and transfer in handwriting skill acquisition. The lighter ball was used to increase the need for control, and the smaller ball was used to increase the need for precision. The left-footed practice was included as studies support the use of contralateral limb training for a cross-education effect, improving motor coordination on both sides. A study looking into the effects of contralateral limb training found that it elicits cross-educational benefits. The hope was that by training the weak foot, the body would develop functional equivalences bilaterally to expedite the self-organization process. To assess performance and track the progress of skill learning, 3 assessments were used. Assessment 1, a performance outcome measure, counted the total attempts out of 10 where I successfully juggled the ball at least 10 times without failure. Assessment 2, also a performance measure, simply measured the amount of total successful juggles performed during Assessment 1, as successful consecutive juggles beyond 10 were not counted. Hence, all the successful attempts during Assessment 1 would add 10 to this total, and all the juggles during the failed attempts would make up the rest. Assessment 2 was designed to track more general progress, negating the aspect of consistency to produce an overall juggle score out of 100, a simple representation of my advancements in juggling a soccer ball. Finally, Assessment 3 was a subjective rating assessment of my level of confidence regarding how close I am to reaching mastery at performing the skill, with 10 reflecting maximum confidence. Here is a look at the training program timetable, along with performance and subjective measures. Up here is the training program, and here are the assessments. This row simply indicates that constraint exit criteria for constraints 1 and 2 took place. The green represents the portion of the program that was randomized. Here is a short compilation of me attempting the skill during the first practice session. I also performed a pre-test prior to commencing this session using Assessment 1 and got a score of 0 out of 10. As you can see, I struggled to juggle more than 4 consecutive times. At this early stage, I was still trying to solve the degrees of freedom problem and yet to find a stable, self-organized attractor state of motor control.